Down there this way, there are quite a lot of hotels, like Chateau Nova. That's one of them that's right next to us. Good morning, everybody. So today is our second day. The plan yesterday was, as soon as we arrived, driving around town and get some lunch and get ready to go on Aurora viewing tour at the Aurora Village. I couldn't really film yesterday. I just filmed by the lobby of the hotel. We were trying to see a northern light. It has to be pitch black. Let me show you where we were yesterday. So yesterday we were starting from the city right here, and then the travel tour guide agency drove us all the way inside the village. It was taking about 1 hour drive out of the village from the viewing Northern Light area to downtown. About 15 miles for that 1 hour. I was trying to film the tour bus but couldn't film because it was pitch black. Cannot see anything. Bus was comfortable. It was 2x2 configuration. Not quite warm, but it was okay because outside is negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, that was for last night. As soon as we get back, they have to drop. They picked it up from 3 or 4 other hotels as well. And then when they drop us back, our hotel was the second hotel that they drop us back. The one that I know is the Chateau Noah, and then our was the second one, the Explorer Hotel. Like, we were really tired from freezing frozen night. We didn't do much, just had late dinner, and then went to bed. Today the plan is we have a tour appointment at 1 o'clock at Oldtownglassworks here in Yellowknife, Canada, and on or before that or after that we plan to go to Dettah Ice Road to the town called Dettah. It's the road or the only ice road that I have done the research that they open during a certain time or period in a year, because those time is the period of time that the road will be iced and safe to drive because it's on a lake. We're gonna still be driving around Old Town still. First day we did not see much since the flight was delayed, so today we're gonna try it again. Quick picture, video of the whole town. So we were right here by the airport. So we got a rental car and we drove past, and then we come down to this is downtown right here. It's really small, but it has quite pretty much everything that anybody needed, from grocery store to hotels to almost just about anything. It's a small town, and right here's a lake, big lake. Right down, you go to the main floor. There are 8 floors in this hotel. Hi, bear. So here we are on the second day, just about to go out and grab some breakfast. Really late because we came back super late last night, 3 o'clock, get to the hotel. So this is how I'm dressing. Just a bunch of layers. And let me show you in the car temperature. So right now it's negative 13 degrees Celsius at 11 o'clock, almost lunch. So the car comes with this one too for clearing the ice and snow. And we park right in front of the hotel because there's only 2 slots here. Well, first breakfast. But inside is really warm, so I took big jacket off.
This one out.
So let's go. Here we are, guys. We are in Yellowknife. We'll be taking a walking through downtown Yellowknife, and it's still frozen here both days and nights. Amazing. And we are doing our very own quick walk here because we don't want to get frostbite. Alright, we're gonna make a turn around right here to go back, and might make it stop at some shops along the way just to see what they have in store during this kind of season. I don't know if you noticed, guys, it's nobody walk around. It's so cold. Right, we're gonna check out this mall to see what they have in store for us, and it's so cold outside, so better get inside. So there are very few shops open, like this restaurant right here and this store right here, and that's it for this mall. I'm looking through this building, the YK Center. It has a temperature reading below. But previously walking on the other side, we can see what temperature reading. It was showing some crazy reading, something like -15. And if any one of you planning to come to Yellowknife and not planning to rent a car, there's also a bus that can get you around town. So now we go into the old town of Yellowknife, and we have booked a old town glasswork tour because the review was giving us a good impression that we will have fun doing the art on the glasswork. Also want to learn and see how professional do a work on a glass. So as soon as you enter into a museum of old town glasswork, you will see a lot of showcases, and here's where you will be checking in for your tour schedule. From there you will be tour guided to the back of the museum, so that's where all the work and the magic happens. The review that we have read, they let people who join the tour be able to take their own glasswork as a souvenir to bring back home, which is pretty cool if you're not only coming here to look at the Aurora Borealis, and you also come to this tour and then bring the glasswork as a souvenir back at home too. So here's the first step. So here are the template of choices where you will be choosing what you like, what you don't like, and place one of these on your glass. So this will be your very own work. So by the way, they have a choice of glasses too, big, small, and medium. Second step, once you're done choosing a glass and a template, you'll be putting it on by using this glue with the roller. Third step, this metal template right here used to warm up the glue when you put it on a template. Last step, you're going to be putting it through a sand spray box. And here's what the finished product look like. So this is my trout. It comes with the fries, vegetables, and this is the other fish. This is our drink. So we have the kitchen just right next to us. I'm gonna try this lake fish. It's great. Big, nice tender meat fish. Now let me try this one.
Just you have a seat. I will take care. Just have a seat.
Not bad, but I like the other fish more. Our bison soup that just came. Let me try it. It's still really hot. Fix up stove. It's awesome. The meat is tender. The sauce is just great. I really want to show you guys this field fresh lake fish trout lake here in Yellowknife, Northern Territory, Canada. So good, juicy, firm, and really delicious.
Okay, we are back on the ice road. What do you call this, Kirk?
Dettah Ice Field Road. The field I added in, but it's called Dettah Ice Road. Correct name.
Where does it lead to from and where?
From Yellowknife, the big town, to Dettah, the small town, I guess. We're not there yet. It's about 15 kilometers. It says about 15 minutes. I would believe it's about that kind of length of time because there's no car on the road.
And we are running on top of a lake. Literally underneath is water.
It feels great.
That's land.
Feels like a waterbed.
This side is land. And we're on the water. This only happens in winter. And this is a really famous road for you to come and visit during this time. Other than aloha hunting, this is another good things to do in here. Okay. This is the end of the road. Oh, wow. Normally people just turn around right here. It's really, really interesting. We are already right here. That is so quick. Welcome to Dettah. You see it? Right there, right there. Welcome to Dettah. There. And oh, wow. You can just drive around and come back. Do the stop sign or something.
Restaurant.
So I believe people in here like to commute on the winter more than in the summer. Winter easy to come this way to access both town. This is so cool.
School.
Wow.
They have school. Let's go see school. I think they're
Local
on
community.
vacation. So, you turn?
Yeah, you turn. Just park in the back there and then back up behind us. And then go back.
Yeah. That's it.
Just back in there first. I don't know what that truck wants. Yeah, coming your way. That's what I thought. Yep, good. Oh, this is delivery the gas. Phew. Right there. There's more lakes right there. You can do snowboarding or ice skate.
Don't sleep.
Yeah. This is the way that in the summer people will commute by.
Yeah, I think that's it.
It looks like a rough
Dettah
road, not
town.
the paved road. Can we make a left turn here maybe?
Back up in here.
This is the main road on Yellowknife. Their license plate is so awesome, cute. Look at that.
Spectacular.
Spectacular.
Northern Territory.
And with the bear sign. So cool. I hope California can do that. Do something different. California map, maybe? I didn't even know there's a middle lane for turning. Yep, that's the a store around here. Main street for tourists to walk around. So far, I have not found any souvenir yet, or souvenir store that I can get something back. Mainly for Laura right here. First timer for us. The time right now looks pretty busy. I feel like this town, other than tourists, not much local people at all. As you can see, most people walking in here is not locals. It's tourists from all around the world. I see a lot of Japanese, Asian people come over here and see Northern Lights. Some other Canadian from other states, and also US. Let's see. Pretty much this is the end, so we'll see you around Walmart and show you what's the local Walmart look like.
After Walmart, we stop at Mark's. I think this is a grocery store here in Yellowknife. Door's so heavy. Oh no, where's the store? Clothing store. Alright, we can see sunset from our hotel. Just a good timing. This is our hotel. I mean, keep them a hidden treat. Huh?